Hello everyone, now you have to divide your hair in 4 parts, tie them together and make a beautiful bun. With the rest of the hair, twist around the bun and this is ready. Wedding season is going on, so what are you waiting for? These wonderful hairstyling ideas you can try at your home and you can enhance your beauty. What say? So let's proceed with this hairstyle. Take small portion from both the sides and then you have to make a bun like this. Divide your hair in 3 parts. Make a braid like this and then with this you have to make this beautiful bun. Now let's proceed with this hairstyle. First you have to make a ponytail, then make a bun like this and the rest of the hair twist around that bun and see, this beautiful bun is ready. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. You can take wonderful hairstyling ideas and in few minutes you can be a hairstylist. What say? This is looking so beautiful. Now let's proceed with this braid. You have to make like this and then fold it to make a beautiful bun. This is wedding season, so you're wearing beautiful dresses, you're wearing makeup, and with these unique hairstyles, you can look awesome. What are you waiting for now?